Hi, I'm Allison Prior, and today I'm going to do a review for you from a product that I received from Craft Ease. It's a diamond painting. I've never done one of those before. So I'm going to open it up. I have it here, and just going to get it all opened up and see how we're going to get started on this. If you are into diamond paintings, then we'll see how this is, and you may want to order some from Craft Ease. Our guide below to make a spectacular diamond art. Craft Ease. Diamonds. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Now, like I said, I've never done one of these before, so this is going to be new for me. I'm always open to new projects to do. So I thought this would be really nice when they contacted me and said, you know, that they have art supplies, and asked me if I would do a diamond painting or paint by number. I said I'd like to try the diamond painting because I've never done one before. So we got the package with all the diamonds and all the colors. And we got some pretty flowers going on here. All right. Wow. Looks really nice already. And I haven't got anything done. Let's see. Oh my. That's your oh, look how pretty that is. Wow, I can't wait to do this. Look how pretty. It's pretty already. All right. I have to say it's well packaged. And, oh, look, they all come in individual. Little individual bags. Look, so that you know where they go. How pretty is that? Very nice. And it's a lot of them here too. Look. A lot. Wow. Very nice. And then we have instructions. I can't wait to get started. So you also get all the tools that you need to do your diamond painting. So you don't have to worry about buying anything separately. This is wonderful. And all the instructions. All right. So when you receive your diamond painting from Craft Ease, you get your canvas, and you get, it's a beautiful canvas, and you get your instructions, and you also get all your tools. So you'll have your diamond drill pen, then you'll have your pink wax that you put in your pen for diamond painting, to pick up your diamonds one at a time. And then you have tweezers in case you make a mistake and you have to pick out the diamonds, and your container. You also get all your different beautiful colors that you're going to need to do your diamond painting. We have many of those, and then they are marked with the numbers so that you can follow along and know where to put the colors. And they're also on here, so it'll match them up. As you can see, there's a lot of them, all beautiful colors. They're really going to bring out your diamond painting, make them beautiful. So each bag has a label with a number on it for you. See? So that corresponds with the number that's on your canvas. So there's the numbers over here so that you can correspond them with your colors, which makes it much easy. Which makes it very easy. Fill your pen. All you do is take your pen, and you take your pen. Now you just pull back this here covering, and then you just take your pen and you dip it into the wax, and you fill it up, and you take it out, and there we go. Now we're ready to get started with our pen. It has the wax in there to hold your bead, and then you just pull back, because this also has a covering over it, and you just pull that back. You don't pull it all off, you just only the section that you want to use. So you peel that back. Then you start working on that section. So when you're not working on your canvas, just make sure you keep it covered. So if you want to start up in this corner, you pick a spot you want to start yourself, and start in the corner so your hand's not sticking, because this is sticky. See? Sticky, so it holds the little beads. And so I'm finding number 7. So I looked over here and number 7 says that the color is 807. So then I just went to my bag and I got number 807. And that's the beads I'm going to use for number 7. And then I put them in here. And then I pick up some beads, pick up a bead. And then I put it in number 7. On number 7, I should say. And there you go. Simple as that. And then when you fill it all up, it is going to be gorgeous. It's going to be gorgeous. Look. And then as you get used to it, you can move faster. See? All right. Look how sparkly it is when you get those diamonds on there. They're cute. So I'm starting to get the hang of it. At first, I was like, wow, this is going to take me a long time. But you know something? Once you get started and you start moving around, it becomes so much easier and so much more relaxing and fun. And it's so beautiful. So I'm going to do more. And then I'm going to do as part of the rose and different parts just to show you how it sparkles. Look at that. This is going to be really pretty. See how pretty that is? See how nice and glittery and shiny it is? Isn't that nice? And when you get started, it's almost very addictive because you don't want to stop because it's so easy. And when you tap on there and it comes off, just so easy. And try to make sure that the flat side is down and the round side is up where the sparkles are. Nice. So guys, try it out. I think you're going to love it. I really do. I really think when you see the full results, I mean, you can see the difference, right? The sparkles. And when you get the momentum going, it goes pretty fast. And so have fun. And I'll leave a link and a code there for you so you can get a discount. And that's it for now. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. And if you liked my video, you can give me a like, you can share my video, and you can subscribe and press the notification button so you can get lots more videos like you've seen today. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.